So guys, we are driving in a made in Nigeria Cybertruck. Here we are.
So my people, on this day that I went to Onitsha to interview this guy that built the first Cybertruck in Africa. After the interview, we took a ride around the street of Onitsha in Anambra State. I wanted to feel the vibe of the Cybertruck, and I will show you in this video how we drove around Onitsha. Just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Don't fail to subscribe and share.
Okay. Yeah, outside. Go outside. Let's drive out. Wow. Made in Nigeria Cybertruck, guys. We are on the street of Onitsha. Okay. 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 Wow, guys, we are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. We are such a very wonderful driver. Wow. So I still want to ask you one more question. Do you think Elon Musk will be proud of you doing this?
I hope so.
Wow. He will. He will. No doubt he will. If Elon happens to come across this wonderful initiative, he will just be so proud that someone somewhere in Africa, in Nigeria, is doing this. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm calling on everyone out there that knows the importance of supporting talent, you know, to come through for Yakabad. He has done so well. Like, he's doing an amazing job doing this all alone. This is just August.
Yes, last year.
And we are now in June. And see the progress. He does it all alone. The finances, everything, just all alone. The coupling, the everything. He's doing it all alone. So you can imagine if he has some level of support, you can imagine the level he can go in building this and even coming up with more innovations. This is grace. This is amazing. This is amazing. And I must commend your skills. You are multi-skilled. You are skilled in so many things.
This fiberglass, I'm the one.
Come here.
I'm the one making this also. I'm the one using chemical to design.
This, bring it out.
Like this now. I'm the one that uses chemical
to mold it.
Yes.
Like, do you do everything? Like,
I'm the one that if that you come yesterday, I work yesterday.
wow, how can one person be this skilled in doing so many things? You mold this, you panel beated this, just everything.
But I'm not yet done with the roof because I'll still put carpet grass.
Okay, this is the roof. Come, guys.
Yeah, we used to cover it.
Okay, this is the roof of the Cybertruck.
Yeah.
Okay, still putting it together. Not yet done.
Still cooking.
Wow. You must have like spent a lot in doing this. So I commend your efforts. It's not easy. You know, it's not easy being innovative in Nigeria that you hardly get support. So I encourage you to keep pushing. Don't stop. You are the kind of people that this country needs. We need people that are creative, that are productive, you know, to bring the economy of the country there. Because right now we are here. So we need productivity. We must not be dependent on imported items because that will do our economy no good. So we need people like this to get our economy there. And for us to get it there, we must come together to support talents like this. We must come together to support talent like this. So guys, thank you till we see again.
Oh.